What were dishwashers like in the 1950s? Have you ever wondered what it was like to wash dishes in the 1950s? Back then, the introduction of home dishwashers marked a significant shift in American households. The 1950s were a time of change, with consumerism on the rise and modern appliances becoming more common. Dishwashers began to gain popularity, but they were not yet a staple in every kitchen. In the early part of the decade, dishwashers were large and often quite expensive. Many families found them impractical for home use. However, advancements in plumbing and the availability of hot water made them more feasible. By the mid-1950s, improvements in design and the introduction of electronic motors made dishwashers more appealing to the average consumer. The first practical dishwasher was invented by Josephine Cochrane in the late 19th century. Her design used pressurized water and wire racks to clean dishes. While this concept was innovative, it took decades for dishwashers to become widely accepted in American homes. The post-war boom of the 1950s created a sense of optimism, and many families aspired to own modern conveniences like dishwashers. During this time, dishwashers were marketed as time-saving devices. Advertisements highlighted how they could help homemakers manage chores more efficiently. Owning a dishwasher became a symbol of modern living and reflected the broader cultural trend of consumerism. Many Americans viewed these appliances as a status symbol, representing the American dream. By the end of the decade, dishwashers were becoming more common in middle-class homes. They were often seen as a luxury item, but their growing popularity indicated a shift in how families approached household tasks. The convenience of a dishwasher allowed families to spend more time together rather than doing dishes. In summary, dishwashers in the 1950s were a reflection of a changing society. They represented the desire for modernity and convenience, marking a significant step in the evolution of American households. As consumerism grew, so did the appeal of these appliances, paving the way for the dishwashers we know today.